Hey guys, welcome back to my crazy big black family on YouTube, guys. Tonight's a cooking video, guys. Please, if you're new on this cooking video and you're new on this channel and you're just watching us, please, can you please subscribe? Today we're gonna be having dinner. So right now I just put on some water for some macaroni and cheese. You see I have two pans here because I have a big black family. There is 11 of us in total. So I'm seasoning both of these glass pans with, I have onion powder, garlic powder. That's the garlic powder, a little bit of black pepper, some seasonal seasoning, and some onion flakes, guys. What I'm doing, I'm gonna adjust my camera. I'm gonna actually do that and repeat that on both sides of my chicken. So that's what I just did to that. Right now, I'm doing that. Like I said, I'm making sure I evenly season both sides. I'm using my black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. I flip both sides and I just put on the Memphis grill seasoning. So next, I'm going to add some ranch dressing. I'm going to try this out. I'm going to use this as a marinade, the ranch dressing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some cold water to this so that it can make it a little bit more loose and make it more of a marinade so that I can pour that on top of my chicken. So I'm filling it. It's already half full with ranch dressing. And then I'm going to finish it with the rest with water, shake it up, give it another good fill. Make sure it's full because I want it to be a little bit more watery than thick. So because there's a little hole, I can only put that much in there, and I gotta keep doing it. So now I'm gonna pour it on top of my chicken, and I'm making sure that I just coat the whole chicken with the ranch dressing. The other, I'm gonna put aluminum foil on top of that so that I can put it in the oven. I'm gonna bake it in the oven at 375 for about a good hour and a half because I wanted to cook until it starts to break off the bones. And now I'm going to make a barbecue marinade. Instead of putting barbecue sauce on the chicken afterwards, I'm going to make a marinade with it. So I'm going to do the same thing I did with the ranch dressing. I'm going to change bowls because this bowl is too small, and I'm going to use this bowl. I'm going to fill that up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing I did with the ranch dressing. I am going to add some water to it to make it more of a loose type of thing so that I can pour it on top of the chicken as like a marinade, just like the ranch dressing. So right now it's still thick and I'm making sure I get all of it out of that bowl. I added some water to it and I'm just going to give it a nice good mix, real good. Mix it up really good so that I can blend it in and make sure it's not thick anymore, more of a marinade, more of a like a soupy type of situation. So right now I'm making sure all of it's evenly mixed, mixing it real fast, mixing it all up, and then I'm just folding and mixing, make sure I don't miss any of the barbecue sauce. Now I'm gonna pour the barbecue sauce on top of the chicken. Instead of, like I said, cooking it and then putting the barbecue sauce on top, I'm gonna cook it inside while it's cooking so that it can be like a marinade and let it base with the chicken and in the oven. This also, I'm going to fold the barbecue sauce up just about right before it can get to the top of the chicken so the chickens can, like I said, marinate and sit in it. And I'm going to cook this at 375 with the ranch dressing chicken for about a good hour and a half. I'm just going to evenly put all these chicken inside the glass baking plate. Make sure everybody has enough room so that it can be baking evenly. I'm going to put aluminum foil on the top of this as well so that I can make sure that the chicken soaks all the barbecue seasoning and all the barbecue marinade that we made. I'm putting the aluminum foil on top of it. Make sure that I seal it tight around the sides, all the way around. Turn the pan around, seal it all the way around the sides. Make sure I turn it all the way around and make sure every side is sealed so that none of the flavors can get out and everything can stay inside on the chicken, guys. And that is all ready to pop in the oven. And now I just now poured my last bit of barbecue sauce, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the side right there, and that's gonna be mixed as well. And that's gonna be the marinade for me to use for my ribs that I'm going to be frying. Yes, guys, you heard me. I'm going to be marinating these ribs in barbecue sauce first, and then I'm going to fry them. That's my noodles and my shells with some baked macaroni and cheese. I already pre-boiled them. I just fried. This is my fried barbecue ribs. Like I said, I marinated them in barbecue sauce. I seasoned my flour with garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and season. And now I'm going to put my macaroni inside the glass pan. I'm going to put some season oil on there, some black pepper, and some onion flakes. Flakes will give your macaroni and cheese an amazing taste, guys. And then I'm going to pour my milk inside the pan. So right now I'm just putting all the cheese in there. I'm going to also do something different and add some green beans in there, some whole green beans in it, sort of like a casserole, but you know, I'm just gonna put them inside with the macaroni and cheese, mix them up. My ribs are frying. Those are some ribs right there that are already fried. I know they're a little dark, but they're supposed to be, again, because they're barbecue ribs. They've been marinated in barbecue sauce, and so they have a barbecue flavor, and they are darker like barbecue. And voila, look at my macaroni and cheese with the green beans, with cheddar cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, seasonal, garlic powder, and some onion flakes. And you got your fried ribs right there, guys. And that is my fried ribs, fried barbecue ribs, should I say. And that's what we're going to be having for today's dinner. Happy Tuesday, guys. Right now, I'm going to show you. I also made some jasmine rice because we have a big family. We got to make sure we have enough food so that everybody can eat. So now I got both chickens in the oven. They're cooking at 375. I'm letting the marinades cook through both chickens. The barbecue marinade cook through. I got my macaroni and cheese and green beans on top, and this is the finished product, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing ranch dressing chicken. Amazing baked macaroni and cheese with green beans. Amazing fried barbecue pork ribs. Some jasmine rice, guys, and some barbecue chicken marinated and cooked in barbecue sauce. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my crazy big black family for more cooking videos and more cooking on this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.